All the best. Most popular product on Amazon.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of blenders and exploring the top 5 best-selling options on Amazon. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast, a party prep pro, or just looking for a kitchen workhorse, there's a perfect blender out there for you. Before we continue, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss out on our upcoming content. And to all our existing subscribers, a big thank you for your ongoing support. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 5. Magic Bullet Blender. Kicking things off, we have the classic Magic Bullet Blender. This compact and versatile little blender boasts a whopping 106,010 ratings on Amazon. That's a lot of happy customers. It comes with an 11-piece set that includes cups, lids, and blades, making it perfect for whipping up quick smoothies, dips, and sauces. While it might not be the most powerful option, it's a budget-friendly and convenient choice for personal use. Link in the description. Number 4. Black Plus Decker 10-Speed Countertop Blender. Looking for something a little more heavy-duty? Then the Black Plus Decker 10-Speed Countertop Blender might be for you. This blender features a powerful motor, a large 6-cup glass jar, and 10 variable speeds for tackling various blending tasks. It's also dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. With a 4.2-star rating and over 19,000 reviews, it's a solid mid-range option. Link in the description. Number 3. Ninja QB 3000 and 1SS Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender. If you're all about personal smoothies and healthy on-the-go drinks, the Ninja QB 3000 and 1SS Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender is a great choice. This little powerhouse boasts a 4.7-star rating with over 36,000 reviews, thanks to its powerful 700-watt motor and convenient single-serve cups. It's perfect for whipping up protein shakes or crushing ice for frozen cocktails. Link in the description. Number 2. Ninja BL660 Professional Compact Smoothie and Food Processing Blender. Here's another Ninja blender making the list. This versatile option offers the best of both worlds, a powerful 1,100-watt motor for crushing ice and frozen ingredients, along with a 72-ounce pitcher for making large batches of smoothies or dips. It also comes with 2 16-ounce cups for personal use, making it a great all-in-one system. With a 4.7-star rating and over 42,000 reviews, it's a popular choice for those who want a bit more functionality. Link in the description. Number 1. Ninja BL610 Professional 72-ounce Countertop Blender. And finally, the reigning champion, the Ninja BL610 Professional 72-ounce Countertop Blender. This top-rated blender, with over 50,000 reviews, features a powerful 1,000-watt motor and total crushing technology, making it a beast for pulverizing anything you throw at it. The 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for big families or entertaining, and the user-friendly controls make it easy to operate. Link in the description. So, which blender is right for you? It all depends on your needs and budget. If you're a solo smoothie enthusiast, the Magic Bullet or Ninja Fit might be perfect. Need something for a larger family or frequent entertaining? The Ninja BL610 or BL660 could be ideal. Do any of these blenders pique your interest? Let me know in the comments below, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them there as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome kitchen gadget reviews.